Assalamu alaikum, hope everyone is doing well. Today we'll be going over passive present tense verbs. So previously we learned how to create a present tense verb by placing the root on this pattern, yaf'alu, right? You prefix the root with a ya. The first letter has a sukun on it. The second letter can either have a dhamma, fatha, or a kathra. And the third letter will have a dhamma on it. Now to put this in the passive form, all you need to do is change two things. You change the haraka on the ya to a dhamma, and the second letter will be fixed on a fatha. So yaf'alu becomes yuf'alu. And this is basically the passive present tense pattern. So let's take a look at a few examples. We have yadribu, which is the present tense form, and it means he is hitting or he will hit. Then if you put it on the yuf'alu pattern, it becomes yudrabu. The ya now has a dhamma on it, and the second letter has a fatha on it. So this automatically becomes he is being hit or he will be hit. In the passive form, the doer is hidden. So another example is yaftahu. This is the present tense form, and it means it is opening or it will open. And if you put it on the yuf'alu pattern, again, just change the haraka on the ya to a dhamma, and the second letter gets a fatha. It becomes yuftahu, and this becomes it is being open or it will be open. And now another example, yansuru, which means he is helping or he will help, present tense form again, and then if you put it on the yuf'alu pattern, this becomes yunsaru, which means he is being helped or he will be helped. Again, we don't know who is being helped. The doer is hidden. So now let's take a look at the conjugation table. So this table is going to be similar to the present tense verb table, except all we're doing is applying the passive form pattern to it. So the third person masculine singular is now going to be yunsaru instead of yansuru, because now the ya has a dhamma on it, and the second letter will have a fatha on it. So this will become he is being helped or he will be helped. And then the same thing here for third person masculine dual, it'll be yunsorani, right? The ya has a dhamma on it, the second letter has a fatha on it, and you have the ani ending for dual, so this becomes they both are being helped or they both will be helped. And then same thing here for third person masculine plural, where you have yunsaruna, right? Ya has a dhamma on it, second letter has a fatha on it, and then you have the una ending for the plural ending, so this becomes they all are being helped or they all will be helped. And then same thing with the feminine form. So third person feminine singular is now going to be tunsaru instead of tansuru, because now the ta has a dhamma on it and the second letter has a fatha on it, and you have the ta for femininity, so this becomes she is being helped or she will be helped. And then same thing here with the third person feminine dual form, it becomes tunsorani, ta again with a dhamma, second letter with a fatha, and the ani ending for dual, so this becomes they both are being helped or they both will be helped. And then same thing here, yunsaruna instead of yansurna, right? The ya has a dhamma on it, the second letter has a fatha on it, and then you have the jazm noon ending for the third person feminine plural form, so this becomes they all are being helped or they all will be helped. Again, same thing here with the second person masculine singular, tunsaru, which means you are being helped or you will be helped, and then tunsorani for second person masculine dual, which means you both are being helped or you both will be helped, and then tunsaruna for second person masculine plural, which means you all are being helped or you all will be helped. Again, same pattern, the ta has a dhamma on it, the second letter has a fatha on it, and then you have the individual dual and plural endings ani and una. And then similar thing here with the second person feminine singular form, you have tunsorina. Again, nothing's changed. The ta has a dhamma on it now, the second letter has a fatha on it, and you just have the ina ending for the second person feminine singular ending, so this becomes you are being helped or you will be helped. And again here, same thing, tunsorani, which means you both are being helped or you both will be helped in second person feminine dual. And then tunsaruna, which is you all are being helped or you all will be helped for second person feminine plural. And you see how nothing changes. It's literally the same pattern. The ta has a dhamma on it, second letter has a fatha on it, and then you have the individual endings, which are basically the same endings in the normal present tense verb chart. And then now we have the first person singular form, which will be unsaru, which means I am being helped or I will be helped. Again, same thing. The hamza is going to have a dhamma on it, and the second letter is going to have a fatha on it. And then same thing here with the first person plural form, nunsaru. Again, the noon has a dhamma on it, second letter has a fatha on it, so this becomes we are being helped or we will be helped. So now let's take a look at a few examples. So here we have yuhfadhu zaydun, and you can tell that yuhfadhu is in the passive present tense form because again the ya has a dhamma and then the second letter has a fatha. So this becomes our fa'il, which is going to be our mudari majhul, and because it's in the passive present tense form, we're not going to have a fa'il but instead a na'ib fa'il, which is going to be zaydun. So this becomes Zayd is being protected. Another example, tusma'ani. And again, you can tell this is a passive present tense verb because again, you have the ta with a dhamma on it, the second letter has a fatha on it, and then this is just in the antuma form because it has the ani dual ending. So together this becomes you both are being heard because the antuma is the hidden naib file in this. And then finally we have yuktabuna. And again, you can tell this is a passive present tense verb because the ya has a dhamma on it, the second letter has a fatha on it, and this is just in the antum form. So this becomes they all are being written because the antum is the hidden naib file here. And so that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.